Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to outline text box here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Outlining a text box in Canva is a simple process and also a great way to add emphasis and make the text stand out in your design. So, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the design or project that you are working. If you haven't already, just click the template section. You can choose from a business, social media, education, video, marketing, and products. Or if you want to start from scratch, just click the create a design option here. Now, I'm going to start with a simple image. This is going to be the thumbnail that I'm going to work with later. I'm going to add a video on the side. Maybe this one right here sits well here. I'm going to choose something like maybe this one, the fire. I'm going to put it here. Now, in this case, I'm going to put in a text box right here. And I'm going to put in a random paragraph here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Squeeze it in and place it accordingly. I'm going to put in an effect. Maybe with this one. Color is going to be something like a red. That pops out. All right, kind of like that. Now, for you to be able to outline text, all right, so these are one of the ways. You basically outline the text box or the text inside the text box. But the text box is this square grid. For us to be able to outline that, we have a couple of ways. Number one is go to the elements, and I want you to type in frames. Press enter. Let's click on see all. No, not this frame right here. Kind of like the graphics itself, all right? For example, this one. Obviously, all I'm gonna do is drag this inside your text area, text box area, all right? Click that. So this is one way. Choose a different color for that, and you would be able to add an outline on your text box, right? Alternatively, I'm going to copy this text right here, add another page at the bottom, copy the text right here. Another simple way for you to do it is go to elements, go to shapes, wait for it. Now, what I'm going to do is go to the color. I'm going to put in no color for now. I'm going to choose the border style, which is going to be that one. And of course, I can choose from the border color, which is this. No color, I'm sorry. This one. This one is going to be that. All right, so these, of course, you can resize that to blend perfectly. Wait for it. So now it is inside our text box. All right. See that? That's one way. I'm going to group this again. Add another page here. So I'm going to copy the text again here on the bottom. Now, the other way is going to be manual because we're going to choose the line. We can increase the thickness to your preferences and liking. Of course, you can choose the line color, maybe red again. You can drag it here to create a kind of a text box. Copy that and duplicate. Put it at the bottom. Copy it again for the next side. Rotate that using this tool right here. So it stands perfectly well. Drag it on the right side. Boom. Copy the second line again. Put it here, and there you go. So you have like 4 options on outlining a text box. All right. Another way for you to do it is gonna be at another page. Click this text here. I want you to click on share. If you are using a Canva Pro subscription, you would be able to download this as a PNG. But the thing is, you can choose the transparent background. This one right here, if you want. All right, so let's do that. And then we are going to convert the text to an image. All right, now after that, the text image was already converted to an image. How do we know? Because I can now access the edit. You see, if it's a text box, you don't have the edit option. But if you convert it to the image, you'll be able to click on edit. This time, what we're going to do for us to be outlined, we're going to use the shadows right here. We can select the glow. You see that? We can enhance the size of the outline, the intensity if you wanted. You see that? And of course, the blur amount if you want. So these are some of the options here in outline text box. Now, what we're going to do is click on the play button just to see if our design blends perfectly well. Because outline text box can introduce a playful or creative aspect of your design, making it suitable for casual themes, right? As you can see, if your brand utilizes outlines as part of its visual identity, applying outlines to text boxes helps maintain brand consistency across different designs. So these are some of your options. Once you are happy with this, okay, with all of these options, just click on the share button on the upper right corner. You see you have the option to download as an MP4, a JPEG, which is best for sharing, PNG for best for complex images, PDF standard or for PDF print as well. Or if you're using for web design like Squarespace and Wix, just choose the SVG. Now, if you wanted to share this to your collaborator or your client, or if you're working with multiple freelancers, just click on the copy link. So you can have the access level, like they can edit, they can view only, or they can only comment. If you want to share this to social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok, you are welcome to do that as well. Or if you want to forward this design as an email, WhatsApp, or iMessage, or Facebook, you can do that. Or if you want to save it at Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, and Microsoft PowerPoint, it's really easy. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.